What happened to me? Why am I so big? What is happening to me? Why do I look like this? I look so dark and have a little bit of red. Am I a shadow egg? And I can run. I really need to go to my home like a volcano. I just come and fly and run fast. Charge! Yes, I am where I'm supposed to be at. Yo, it looks just like my colors. I think this is my house right here. I think I need to hatch. Just need to go in this lava right here. Whoa. Oh, which one? I should do this one. Hatch. Now I have red eyes.
I wish he latched. If he latched, he'll take like one suck, he'll take all that milk out. Instead of me pumping it out, he'll take one suck, he'll take that shit out. Latch, watch. I hope he
Wait, no, my hair's supposed to be red. My chest,
so much.
yeah. Then my skin black. Wings black. Wait, no, wings white. Whee! Now with my legs. My last thing. Tail black. Yeah. This looks like a shadow one. Oh yeah. Yeah.
I wish I could grab him something to give him something, because, you know, when I tell you that lady was so nice to me.
Oh yeah. Let me just get my
Oh, it was
red.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be really big. Now it's time to save this thing.
You got Buffet on the third floor. Kept saying that. I'm like, yo, before I had you. She like she's trying
Yo, I
to
need to
say,
save
you got
that.
Buffet on the third floor. That's why she was old, her boys. I'm
Oh
like,
yes,
I
this
said,
look
I've been
cool.
through this
I
twice.
could literally run really fast.
I know that.
I need to
Don't eat
train to
pork.
be good. Like I feel lost.
I don't want to take my order. But back to those,
That
how
tastes
much would we
good.
do?
Now I have to look in water for it. Now I just come in, fly really fast to
Huh?
get something like this. Beach. Oh, I could fight. Oh, how am I going to reach up there? Don't worry, I have power so I can reach up there. Yeah, climb up there. I got banana. Let's go. Coconut up there. It's legendary. I love eating legendary food. It tastes so good, but how am I going to get up there? I just fell. Yo, I need to stop
There
running
was
fast.
so many cars out there. No fucking kidding. So little kids. It was ridiculous.
So they did that shit ain't.
Yeah, it's just. Yes, I got the coconut, guys. Yes.
By the time he goes, that's too much.
I'm about to eat it. Yeah, the coconut tastes good. I just have to stop eating the food. I have to eat the fish. That's what I was training for. I know Shadow love water. I think I need to teleport somewhere. I'm going to teleport to. Well, I'm not really teleported to the forest. Okay.
Everybody trouble was on. I was like, what the fuck?
I'm at the forest. Oh, I see fish. Come on, little fishies. I got one, I got one, I got one. Now I could dog on this. See him, man. That was only a small one. You don't eat. I try to be really strong. I go have blood come out my mouth again. Yeah,
That shit have my heat all the way in here.
again. Where are you? Dun 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 dun. Shadow shark, shadow shark, shadow shark, shadow shark, shadow. Oh, this is a big one.
Look how stupid you look now.
Oh, shadow shark, shadow shark, shadow, shadow, shadow,
That's all I need.
shadow shark, shadow shark. I think this is the last one. Because I got another big one. If I eat it, I could become a shadow adult.
Alright, Carter, living room time.
Ah,
You gotta get early.
keep.
Going with it.
Yes. I look so big right now. And I could finally fly. Ooh. I need to make a nest just for babies. And should I make it in the forest when I came really big? No. I came really big in the beach. Teleport. Now I'm not teleporting. Now I'm going to fly to the beach. And 3, 2, 1. Oh! Now I could eat some tropical bananas. I don't even need to climb up it. Just need a big, give me a little boost. Now I got some. A cave. I love caves. Boo boo now. Now I'll go give them a gift in here. Drop the banana. I just feel bad for everyone. I know I'm the main bad guy in the main story. I'm just giving me a couple bananas. Yeah, I'm not giving it to nobody. I would care if it be somebody's nest. That will drop it. My nest is gonna be out of rocks. But I go eat the bananas. It tastes good. Now, make it out of rocks. Color my nest black. Crystal stone. Yes. I need to customize this egg to look just like me. So the texture is gonna be cool. Yes, my egg gonna look just like his papa. And it's becoming really big. That was number 1. Now it's for number 2. We go and get customized. Get it like that. And then glow. Okay. Now this one is going to have lightning. Because this one is kind of my favorite one. Won't cap. I want them all to look like each other. All to look different. Like this one's gonna look different. Look what I go to this one. This one's just gonna be shiny. this one to go with. Look the same, but effects, they're all to be different. All of my ponies is different. One got effect, one don't got effect. Now it's time to hatch all of this. Hatch, hatch, hatch. Hey, juniors. Okay, so this one go on my back, this one go on my foot, and this one you go on my feet. Now it's time. Daddy, you're stepping on me. I don't care. Fly. I have kids now. Now y'all need to train to be big like me. This is where I was training at. But yours is going to be much, much, much easier. Y'all is yeah. Now, get off of me now. Yo, guys, get off of me. How do I get off of them? Get off of me. I'm teleporting my nest. Here, y'all get off of me. Oh, I know how to make them get off of me. Okay. Carter Jr., you're the first one to go get off of me. Lady Carter Jr., get off of me. Then put Carter Jr., get off of me. Now it's time to give y'all banana. Okay, drop it. Somebody eat that. Okay. Now drop, now eat this one for me. Yeah, feed my kids well. Now it's time to go deep in the ocean. Oh, look at my kids trying to go deep as me. Nobody could go deep like me. Fish. This is the end of the video. Goodbye.